Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on today to do my savings challenges for the 22nd. I've been missing in action for a good few days, most probably just over a week if I dare to admit it. But I've been really busy. But anyway, I'm here now, and that's the most important thing. What I'd like to do is count up this money quickly. Got a bit of a sore throat, don't know where it came from. I've been taking some cough mixture and stuff, so I'm hoping that it'll settle itself down shortly. Now we'll count 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Great, so that's £140 that I will be stuffing today. Might get some rollover, who knows. I'm going to start with my September, my monthly. And I am not going to colour it in. I just don't want this video too long because I'm still going to have to sit down and edit it. So I'll just mark these off. That's 5 each. I do £15. And let's do that now for my September, and I'll colour that in later on. Then I'm going to put 15 in the 52-week challenge. We've only got some 15s and 20s left here. That's it, and I'll quickly colour that in 15. There we go. And then now that's all finished with, I am going on to, let's just put this here for now. I'm going to go on to the autumn. And I completed this, remember, last week, and that was £10. So here is a £10. I'll be leaving it all in here until I've completed all of them. This one is a £45 one, and this one's a £90. And each leaf on this one is £5. I'm going to do 10 today. So I put 10 here, and I will just mark them off. I'm just gonna mark them off like that so I know. Oh, I said I was doing 10. Oh God, I'm terrible. Do you know what? That was supposed to happen. I'm gonna do £15 and I'll just see how things go. Right, and I'll finish that another time. Finish colouring it in another time. My battery is low as well, so I don't want to be too long. The puzzle, I've marked it off already. I'm going to put £20 in. Each row is £10. They're £1 a puzzle piece, so I'm doing £20. I've marked off 2 rows, so we get that £20 put away for that, and I'll fully colour it another time as well. The boots are the same. The rainy day fund. I have each Wellington is £5 and the pair is 10. So I coloured in for the pair, so we'll just do that. And as you can see, I've coloured that in already. Because I looked and I've seen my battery's pretty low, so I just thought I'd leave it. I'm thinking of, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that's 65. What I want to do now then is leave this one. If anything is left over for the £5 challenge, I will tackle that. So we'll just leave that there for now. So I know I'll put it on that shelf. And then I've got the box of my 100 envelopes challenge, and I'm going to, let's just put that, that's the divider, that's all the envelopes that's been stuffed already. And I'm going to get the dice. I forgot to get the dice. There we go. Let's see. I'll do a couple of whites. Yeah, a couple of whites. So here we go. So whatever it lands on, I'll count the envelopes. Say if it's 11, I'll count 11, take that one out, and whatever sticker, whatever the amount is on the envelope, then I'll stuff it. So that's 3 and 1, that's 4. So let's get that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's £20. And you know, I did these myself. These are my little DIY envelopes. I had all these envelopes hanging around in the big box, so I just thought I'd cut them down, and I did some stickers on my silhouette and cut them out on my silhouette machine. So that is going to the back. And we will do another one. So that's 5 and 6, that's 11. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's another £20. Great. Lovely. And then that's done, and I'll see what we can put in our £5 challenge. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Why not? Let's just put the 25 in the £5 challenge, and I'll colour it in. Where is it? Oh, my throat is gone so dry now. Oh, just going to drink some tea. Delicious. Right, so that's £25. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and this on completion will be £750. I did this one when I first started last year, and it went really well. Really happy with that. Okay, and we'll put that in there, our £5 challenge. If you want to see a clip of my baptism, please let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely put a couple of clips in on a video for you. But it was amazing. I had a wonderful time. Right, I'm back to normal, and I've got to get those videos putting out now. But I hope all of you are well. I have missed you, and I did miss you, and I couldn't wait to come back, to be quite honest. But you know, certain things have to be done, and then we could put our foot forward All right, so thank you so much for being here with me. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.